of the diagram. See here. In the diagram, on the OX axis, we represents the units of the labor. On the OY axis, we represents the total product, marginal product and the average product. Here in the diagram, TP is the total product curve, AP is the average product curve and MP is the marginal product curve. Students, if we observe this diagram, then it is clear that the total product curve from the point of the origin means O to the point R, the slope of the total curve increases at increasing rate. It is the first stage. See here, if we observe this curve, we will come to know from the point O, means from the origin to the point R, the slope of the total curve increases at increasing rate. It is the first stage. And here average product curve, this stage average product curve rises throughout and remains below the marginal product curve. See here, the average product curve rises, but it remains the below the marginal product curve. In the second stage, both the marginal product curve and average product curve of the variable factor, they are the diminishing. See here, in the second stage, the marginal product curve and the average product curve, they are diminishing, means they are decreasing, but they are the till positive. In this stage, means in the second stage, total curve increases until it reaches the maximum point T. Means here this is the second stage and second stage ends. In the third stage, the slope of the total curve downwards from the point T. See here, in the third stage, the slope of the total curve downward from the point T and marginal product curve falls to the O at the point U, means it becomes negative and it moves, means the marginal product curve moves below the X axis. This is a third stage. So students, when more and more units of the variable factors, see here, when the more and more units of the variable factors are added to the constant quality of the fixed factor, it is more effectively and intensively used. Then what is the result? The production increases at a rapid rate. Again, when the more units of the variable factors are employed to work on it, the output increases considerably due to the effective utilization of the variable factor. So students, this is all about the law of variable proportion. Thank you.